My OCD for the win today, y'all. What's supposed to be a nice day of me watching Netflix all day turned into me organizing and reorganizing my linen closet and putting subtle touches of fall in our master bathroom. I wanted to bring you guys into my bathroom. I'm just finished cleaning up. I didn't want to bore you guys with a cleaning video of my bathroom. You guys probably have seen that 100 times. But I wanted to share how I want to warm things up in my bathroom. As you can see, it's very light and bright, which I love, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted to warm things up. And what's provoking me to warm things up is this tray that I got from HomeGoods. You guys may remember I had a marble tray. I love all things marble, and I put something, I guess I had too many things on it, maybe on one side, and it broke literally in half. And it left a little, you can't see it, but it left a little dent inside of my beautiful tub. So I'm a little bummed out about that. By the way, my tub is by Delta. I am a Delta brand ambassador. But look how much, 19 bucks for this tray. How pretty is that? You could put your laptop there, which I probably won't do because the purpose of soaking is to relax, right? But there's a place for wine glass and a place for your phone, which I will have my phone with me, and it's in a waterproof case when I'm in the tub, just in case. But yeah, this is provoking me. So with that being said, this table you guys have seen as well is from Homery, and I love it as well. I love acrylic. The knobs on my bathroom cabinetry is acrylic. I love acrylic. Like, I love both, but just for the season, without breaking the bank, I think I may want to replace that table with maybe some of this wood. I don't know. Maybe. I saw a beautiful table, but it was pricey. Everything is so high. I don't think I'm going to make the plunge. I may put something else there. I'm not going to pay $100 for a small table. I do have some other options in my shed. I'm just going to have to shop my home, you guys. Although I did make a run to Target, and I bought a few things from the Target Bullseye, you guys. Let me show you. I wanted to take a minute to take it out the bag because I didn't want the bag rattling in your ears. But this is at the Target Bullseye. Look how pretty, you guys. You would not believe this was only, look at that, $5. And this, I'm not sure what it was, but I think it was, no, $3. Yeah, $3. And I just love it. I got two because I'm putting one inside of our RV because I'm going to be doing some fall decor over there too. But I thought these were so pretty, you guys. I'm sharing so that you can take advantage and, you know, if you like them. And they came in 3 colors. This color, which is like a taupey color, a green, and a burgundy color. So beautiful. So, you know, I wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. I also purchased, I could not resist this beauty. And it was only $9. Marble tray. So I'm going to be doing something a little different over here on top of our counters, just to freshen things up just a little bit, because things will just look like it's falling flat. You know what I mean? It's just falling flat. Here, that's in our water closet. Look how pretty that is. Isn't it gorgeous? I know it's not like fall. I guess it could be if you throw in some turquoise or bluish or green, even yellow pumpkins, but I don't know. I'm still playing around with it, but I thought that was pretty. I shared this lamp in my last fall video, and I came across another one on clearance for $13. It was missing the USB cable, and I love these little lamps. It's like my emotional support lamp. These 3 items were under $22, but in my opinion, it's giving the luxe look for less. I'm obsessed with these stackable storage containers, and I'm styling them here on my sink. These bins are perfect for storing tiny items that tend to get lost, but best of all, you can stack them as high as you want, and I'm loving the high and low look. I did split them up and place them on that $9 tray I showed you earlier. As always, less is more. My entertainment closet has tons of goodies, and I totally forgot I had this beautiful bronze vase. I've added some faux dried grass, and I love the look of this. Fall is coming, but not soon enough for me. But I had to put a nice size area rug on this cold porcelain floor of ours. It's from Ross Stores, and I got it for 19 bucks. I also gave our linen closet a refresh with a few new pieces. I get a lot of questions about this particular linen closet, and I'll get into that in a bit. But Target has some really, well, new to me storage boxes that I'm loving this year. My old ones were open, and I love that these have lids to keep the dust bunnies off. And you already know I love gold, and this gold handle tag holder is so beautiful. Here's a little hack for you. Try putting some essential oils on fill pads. I'm using peppermint because lately I've been feeling a little congested. It's a little something to open me up when I walk past the closet. It's like getting a whiff of aromatherapy. Next to my soaker tub, I added more of the faux dry grass and this candle lamp that I also got from Target. My soon-to-be daughter-in-law and my bonus son gave me this wonderful soy candle for Mother's Day. I'm not really big on pumpkin-scented candles, so this is perfect. When I was filming this, it was around the time when Hurricane Debbie was brewing up to Florida, and it kind of stressed me out, you guys. It stressed me out a lot. But I'm happy to report it did not affect us. But please, please pray for those who are affected by the hurricane. Trying to manifest fall into my existence by watching the fire while I soak. I've shared this LG TV with you guys last year, and some of you were tussling with me in the comments. Good news! Amazon sells TVs for a lot less, or you can take a $200 TV and put it on a stand, and you pretty much have what I have for a lot less. Our bed is freshly made. If you guys don't make your bed, do it. It will change your life. It's life-changing. Make your bed. I love getting into a nice, fresh, well-made bed. But I've been seeing a lot of new faces, a lot of new people here. A lot of you may have came from my Glamping with the Coopers channel. But I wanted to address something. I want to address this closet here. You guys, this closet is actually an IKEA PAX closet, okay? The closet we had here previously, and I did a whole video on how I did it, was one of those bifold closets. That's what it was, believe it or not, right? That bifold closet, I could not stand it. It was noisy, squeaky, because my husband go to work early, so he would be in and out of it to get what he need out of here, and it was just not good. So I knew I could do better, and we got this IKEA PAX system, which I love, 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 love. Now, the thing about this is there's some pros and cons. What I did here, it may not be for everyone, but it works for me because I like to see my things. I think if you see them, you'll use them more often. This IKEA system, you have options, and your options is to add a door. They are very adaptable to where you can add doors and frames and drawers. I just love it. It is so, so nice. IKEA also sell the lights that come inside of it, but these aren't the lights because the prices that they have now are just crazy. At the time I didn't get it. I regret it. I should have, but I didn't. So I just added these remote control lights that I'm pleased with it. I wish it was a little more cleaner, but you know, for the most part, I'm clean. I'm good with it for now. So this is how it came out, you guys. And I don't know, if you're planning on doing something like this, do it. If you can, and you know, just take your time, measure out what you want. What we did was we took out the wire shelving that was in it and gutted the whole thing out and stuck the closet in there, and then we framed it out. I had someone come and do a frame out on it, and I'm just so pleased with it. If I want to put doors on it, I can later on, but for now, you know, I think for the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, I've had it, maybe longer, I've had it just like this, and I just love it. I love it. It's quieter. The fun doesn't stop here. If you're not a part of my Glamping with the Coopers channel, I would love to have you over there. I did a video on how I organized our RV kitchen sink. Tons of ideas over there that you can use also in your home. I'll leave a link down below, and I want to thank you all for watching.